Runner. In this video, we will discuss about Python operator. So initially, we will know what is operator. So operator are used to perform operations on variables and values. Arithmetic, assignment, bitwise. It's around 6 or 7 types of operators are there in Python programming language. So now we will discuss about one by one. So here I have written arithmetic operator. So what arithmetic operator do? Arithmetic operator are used with numerical values to perform common mathematical operation. What kind of operation it perform? Plus, subtraction, addition, exponentiation, multiplication, modulus, and floor division. So here I have written x variable that store 45 and y variable that store 35. So now we will discuss one by one operation. So here I have written all the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and floor division. So I will execute this program and then we will know what it will give me. So you can see here in output, addition is 80, subtraction is 10, multiplication is 1575, and division is 1.285, and modulus. So what modulus operator give you? When you use mod operator between two variable, so it will give you a remainder. What remainder will left, that will give you. And what gives floor division? Floor division gives you round quotient value. So for example here, x floor division y, so it gives you 1, because x is 45 and y is 35, because it will not go 2 times, it will go only 1 times. So that's why it gives you 1. Now we will look at assignment operator. So what does assignment operator do? Assignment operator are just used to assign value to variables. Here for example, equal to 67 and y is equal to 78. So this is equal to is a assignment operator, because I am putting the value 67 and 78 in the variable. Variable is a box that contains the value. So x is a box that contains value 67 and y is a box, memory box, that contains 78. So it calls assignment operator. But here I will show you so many types of assignment operator. So what we can do here. So here I have x plus is equal to 90 and we will print x. So you can see here I have written x is equal to 67, but when I print here print value of x, it gives me 157. So why it gives me 157? Because I have added here 90 within this operator. So in same memory location I have added this all two value. If I did here, if I will do minus is equal to, then I will print here again. So it gives me 23. So what it does basically, it just subtract the value from the original value. So here if I write here, what it does, x is equal to x minus 90. So minus is equal to means this expression s is equal to x minus 90. So for example, you have value x is equal to 67, so it will subtract 90 minus 67. So what will be left? 23. You can see here line row number 5, y star is equal to 80. So what does it mean? It means y is equal to y star 80. So in y variable I have multiplied by 80. You can see here now output. So it actually what it does, y initial value I put 34 and then I put y into 80. So it takes y 34 from initial value and then it multiply by 80. So total you can see here 2720 is the final output. Now we will look at the comparison operator. Basically comparison operators are used to compare two things. For example, object A and object B. If you want to compare two things, so you can write here. So here I just want to write here x is equal to y, and so it gives me false because the value of x and value of y is not equal. So that's why it gives me false, because x is 67 and y is 34. And if I am writing here is not equal to, it gives me true, because value of x and value of y is not equal. Now we will look at some more operators. Y is greater than x and enter. So y is greater than x, so it gives me output as a true. So what is the y value of y? Value of y is 2720 and value of x is minus 23. That's why it gives me true. If I use the operator x is greater than y, then it gives me false. So here you can use comparison operators between two or more than two variables. In logical operator used to combine two conditional statement. So here I have two variable A 10 and variable B 23, and I have written here two condition. First is B is greater than A or A is greater than B. This, and then I print here, so it gives me output true. In these two condition, if one condition is true, it gives you true. So the logical operators used to combine the conditional statement only, and it gives you the result as a true or false. So the next is identity operator. So what identity operator do, or is to compare the object. Not if they are equal, if their value are equal, it does not depends on the value, but it depends on the memory allocation, because everything is an object in Python programming language. So it segregate and it's make, it's identify on behalf of memory allocation, not on the behalf of value. But here I am using this operation is and is not. So the expression is x is y, so it gives me false because x is not a y, because both have different memory location. That's why it gives me false. The next one is x is not y. Now the next operator is membership operator. So membership operators is identify the object in the sequence. So this object is inside sequence presented or not. So here we have variable first name is John, the last name is Sena, and name is John Sena. So I am checking here this first name is available in the name or not. So what it gives me? It gives me false, because I have written here not in. It means the first name is not available in the name. Then it tells me false. And if I write here my first name is a member of name, then it gives me true, because the first name, this string value, is a member of the name. That's why it gives me true. Now let's summarize one by one all operator. So the membership operator identify the member from any sequence. Identity operator, and the next is logical operator. So logical operator only combine the conditional statement. It works on conditional statement. Comparison operator, it is to compare two values. Assignment operator, so assignment operator is used to assign the value. For example, I have assigned the value x is equal to 67. So the is equal to the assigning value is equal to the assignment operator. The other one is arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operator works around only numerical values. So in this video, you knows about operators, different type of operators.